those of you looking at this video, this is my 2015 Colorado. I have a catback exhaust on it, and I had it put on there about 2.5 3 weeks ago. Had it put on at a place called Fred's. Has a Flowmaster 40 series muffler on it, and I can't really rev it up right now because I'm the only one taking the video, but it kind of sounds a little too high and kind of nasty when I rev it up. But when it's at a lower RPM like it is now, it actually sounds good. When it kicks down into every gear at the lowest possible rate, it actually sounds virtually like a V8 does. But other than that, it's pretty good. Hope you enjoyed the video, and give me any kind of comments or any other ideas you might have. I might even try them out. Alright, thanks. Have a good day.